death of legendary 102 Mega FM broadcaster John Riema, popularly known as Lacambel, Uganda, has sparked a fierce wave of public anger and controversy across northern Uganda. This comes amid revelation that the station allegedly ignored his desperate pleas for unpaid salary arrears while he lay on his deathbed, only to issue a glowing tribute immediately after his passing. Lacambel, an iconic radio personality celebrated globally for his pioneering role in regional peace journalism, passed away following a protracted illness. He became a household name during the height of the Lord's Resistance Army, that's LRA, hosting the groundbreaking program Documentaries. Let's come back home. Lacambel braved immense personal risk to speak directly to rebels and abducted children in the bush, using the airwaves to offer them a safe path to amnesty and psychological rehabilitation. However, behind the celebrated public persona was a grim reality of financial neglect during his final days. Highly placed family sources and close associates revealed that before his death, a bedridden and incapacitated Lacambel repeatedly begged the management of Mega FM to clear a substantial amount of accumulated salary arrears to help cover his surging medical bills. Struggling with severe illness and unable to work, the veteran broadcaster reportedly made numerous appeals to the station's administrators, but his pleas were met with absolute silence. The contrast between the station's alleged neglect and its sudden public mourning has ignited heavy backlash from the public and the media fraternity. Hours after his death, Mega FM released an official statement on social media, writing, "With a heavy heart, Mega FM announces the passing of her beloved legend, Lacambel Uganda, the voice that touched thousands, the man who brought joy to every home in her Acholi land." Lacambel Uganda has left us today during the dark days of the LR insurgency in northern Uganda. Lacambel Uganda used his voice through Documentaries as a bridge to peace. His voice was more than radio, it was family, it was comfort, it was home. Rest well, her legend. For many in Acholi land, the station's poetic tribute feels like a betrayal of the man who helped build Mega FM's reputation. Listeners and local activists have taken to digital platforms to slam the management, accusing them of corporate hypocrisy and practicing a culture of celebrating heroes in death while abandoning them in life. Critics point out that the financial resources wrapped up in his unpaid wages could have significantly altered the quality of healthcare and comfort available to him during his time of greatest need. As burial arrangements get underway, pressure is mounting on Mega FM's top leadership to address the allegations of unpaid wages and to ensure that Lacambel's estate and surviving family members are fully compensated. For a man who dedicated his life to reconciling a war-torn society, the bitter irony of his final unanswered battle for basic dignity has left a deep stain on his former workplace, casting a somber shadow over the legacy of an Acholi broadcasting giant. Now we leave you with an archive.
Water sanitation loan, Postbank is a financial institution regulated by Bank of Uganda.
Kakare lumne dia mira for the trial kong me achil amir mi we manok man kon ka obil kan mot to ten ni tima bom to twal dom to gire obil gi komwa ke kinyoli mai ke kinyoli in tin no kinyoli wa ke to ni oli wen dom kali ga ni ko wi lo ni tika ko ka chen wa ke to ni e ko me ni le ken dom ke me chal to be lo ma to twal atame ko mi we me komuna manok rot auto duchu mapat ma ko ka wanero utimi mapol peda rangwa ni ko kwere ni ko na ento liet to alpe no watika no down mogo ma gutegu mogo mano put pia gutegu bene ento liet pian wachel da kala guri pede bore e wi ma liet to mel kami man bot auto duchu mapat na kalman genuno perma kiteno